Hello and welcome to my virtual open house video. My name is Kim Lobitz and I am a world history and current affairs teacher at Warren Township High School. This is my 24th year in education. I've spent all of them at Warren Township High School and I'm very excited to have your student in my current affairs course. I live in the district with my two boys. One is a sophomore, one is a senior at Warren, and I have lived in this area for the past 24 years and I'm proud to call Warren Township and Warren Township High School my home. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with your student this year. Current Affairs is a unique course in that the class itself changes with current events. We start the year out with a look at the history of the media, understanding how the media works, and some general media literacy skills. But we also take a lot of time to discuss current events as they happen in the world, which can change in the middle of a school day. This class is very heavily based on class participation, which creates some challenges in a virtual environment. Normally during the school year when we have class, I might have a plan for the day and the kids will come in with topics that they want to talk about, and before we know it, the bell rings. It's a little bit different in a virtual environment, but I'm trying to structure things in a very similar manner. We're going to start working on some smaller group assignments. We're going to be doing some scavenger hunts with smaller teams and some mini projects that hopefully give the chance for students to not only get to know one another, but learn some valuable interpersonal skills, how to discuss sensitive topics in an appropriate way, and also work together as a class. It's a really fun class. It is an elective. I try to make it the most enjoyable part of the day for students and for me. It is eighth period. It is how we end the day when we have a normal 8-period day. And right now in this virtual setting, it is how we end our week on Friday. And I really look forward to my 8th period current events course every day. And it's been wonderful getting to know the students so far, and I look forward to the rest of the semester. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All of the assignments are posted on Canvas. If there's ever a question, don't hesitate to reach out. I really enjoy this course. I really enjoy working with your students. I love teaching. It's what I do. It's my favorite part of the day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.